Hi, Asta. Hi. Hi, little Boopsie. Hi, little Sydney. Hi. Hi, you little boobs. Hi, you little baby. Hi, you little boo-boo. Hi, Sydney. Hi. Hi. Come on. You have to go away so I can take a picture of you. Come on. Come on, get away from my feet. There's a fresh dirt that you like. Yeah, that is a fresh dirt. Yeah, that's wonderful, isn't it? Yeah, that is wonderful. Yeah. Got your little eyes. Oh, what a cute eyes you have. And what a cute nose you have too. Okay. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on, Asta. You gonna come? Asta, you gonna come? Come on, baby. Come here. Puppy. There's a puppy. That's Sydney. Sydney and the dirty nose. Do you have a dirty nose? Yeah. You're a little cute. You're a cute thing, aren't you? Yes, you are. Eating dirt? Is that good? Is that dirt good? Hmm? You just ate. You just ate and you want to eat dirt? Come on, Asta. Let's see what Scotty is. Sydney? Sydney. Get up. Get up. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hey, Sydney. Sydney. Ooh, look at the big eyes you have. I have to get you a little farther away. There you go. Pretty. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Yes. Okay, come on. Come on. Found another dirt pile. Huh? Found another dirt pile. See, this is far away. This is close, and this is far away. What is Asta doing? Where are you going, Asta? Huh? Who do you see? Who do you see? Is there somebody out there? Huh? Who do you see, baby? Who do you see? Okay. Sydney. There you go. Oh, yeah. Here's a Sydney. Uh-oh. Making a TT. Good TT, Sydney. Good TT. Very good. Very good. Where is Asta? Hi, Sydney. Come on. What you gonna do? Come on. Hey, Asta. Esther? Where's Sydney? Where is Sydney? Ah, here he is. Here's Sydney. Here is Sydney. Here is Sydney. Yeah.